the evening. Yes. By the time I come back, if I come back, madam, see your nose. Your nose is point like this. Your nose is like arrow. You know the meaning of arrow. Sorry, I told that me never me mantis here. My court here for you. See, no, back your nose. Wait. Let me tell you something. Maybe we could know we had it from history that we rented this house. Okay. I never see you rented this house. No single renovation. You have not cemented this house. You did not finish building it. Okay. It's block that is there. Ever since you rented it, you did not buy a single cement for you to finish building. Your daddy do on top before. No, sir. Don't get me wrong, sir. I'm saying I'm not talking about hunting. The secure CSO, chief security, sir. I love you all the security. Who told you? Who endorsed you? This is our community. If I want to do anything for our community, all the landlords then they gather the meeting, then they obey, debate, and decide the meeting to I need security for this community. So who endorse you? Who agree?
Baby, I'm looking for you. I have good news for you. What's that? Ella, I heard that you'll be part of those that will be participating in the school debate competition. What happened now?
I don't want those Debbie's problems.
Oh, those ones?
No, they are bullies.
Just leave them alone. They are small now. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Just get prepared for the debate competition.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Thank you.
Tolani, you know this is one of my best clothes. About the debate you told me in your school. You are wearing this one.
Oh. Mommy, I cannot wear it. My mates are wearing suits.
This one, Uncle?
And besides, this is big. Look at it now. I cannot wear it.
It will size you. Will manage it.
My mates will be mocking me. And Mommy, I can't wear it. It's too big.
Me, there's nothing I can do. I don't have another clothes. This is my best clothes. That's why I bring it for you. So you are wearing it, whether you like it or not.
The rest of them are wearing suits now. Mommy, I cannot wear it. It's too big. Do you want my mates to be laughing at me?
Nobody will laugh at you. Don't look at them.
Mommy.
Mother and daughter, why are you going? Who are you doing?
I give her this cloth to wear for debate. She said the cloth is too big. Whoa.
Tola,
sir,
who want to wear this one?
She said I should wear it for my
She said you should wear it. I mean, you are the one that chooses yourself.
No, why would I?
Mama Tola, why are you doing like this? See, you too. See the clothes you want her to wear. I believe this is the clothes you choose for her.
Yes, no.
So if my daughter should wear this one to a debate now, so our friend, our mate will now be laughing at her. It's unfair now. This is uncalled for. So when she's going for an award, so you now give her one of your errand to put on, or you give her your kaba to put on. So because you have a baby girl now, we should come marry mommy, she must put on what you have wear before. No, she's not putting on this one. Take your clothes. Tola, you know what I'm going to do? I have an idea. In the evening, let me just say, I want to say tomorrow before, but latest in the evening, I will get you a nice suit for you to put on.
Daddy, I don't want to click out.
I'm not talking about the clicker. You know those suits in I have a place at Oshodi, or I should go to Abalende. It's inside nylon. I will get nice one for you. I know your stature. My profile will be better. So I will get you nice one. The one that will fit you very well. It will be as if they bond you with it. So to be rest assured, I got you covered.
Thank you, sir.
So don't worry yourself. She has not done one before. So that's why. That and we have been teaching you do not that you don't want to know anything. By giving her this to get to debate.
Buy fine one and come.
Don't worry,
Tolan, since we did not see your daddy since morning and you cannot wait for me, I did not trust him. See this one. I don't like this one. You don't want?
I don't want.
See this one now.
I don't want. I cannot wear it. I cannot wear it.
Aṣọ tó bá dára máa rà fọ́mọ mi. Aṣọ tó bá dára máa rà fọ́mọ mi. Bàtà tó bá dára máa rà fọ́mọ mi. Bí n bá lógún ẹrú, mo ní wọ́n fà ọgbọ́n. Tí n bá lógún ẹrú, ẹ̀mí sì dà mí wọ́n fà ọgbọ́n. Ọjọ́ tí mo bá kú ọmọ làdélé. Bàbá lókè jẹ́kọ̀. Tọ́lání, you are not even appreciative at all. See the clothes I bought for you. And you squeeze your mouth like a fufu. Me, I'm part of those people that talk and do. Asoro, Sheni Mibia, Koyomi on Sasoro Dan. Can see, getting with that suit.
Babatola, where did you see this jacket from?
This one, we are calling this one jacket. Hello, Luko. You are a very bushy woman. This one jacket. You will call it suit, blazers, to be precise.
Daddy, this is a male suit. This is not a female suit. I cannot wear it now. This is a male suit.
Are you whining me? This one a male suit? This one?
Yes, now look at
male
it.
Suit. So can't you put it on?
I can't put it on. If you see my friend don't go, it's very fine. I cannot put this one on. It's a male suit.
So that your friend though now. If I want to buy that your friend though, like how much will it cost me?
She told me that she bought it 60,000.
Hey! Lola!
Sir.
60 what?
1,000.
1,000. I be 16,000.
She said 60,000.
People don't seem to amaze me. So 60,000. So if I promise you that I'm going to buy a suit of 60,000 for you, will you believe?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask you one question. Did you eat in the morning? This afternoon now is not even sure. Not to talk of night. So the school that is organizing this competition, is it not the school you have been attending? Talk now.
You don't even see money to help me and buy normal uniform. It's another clothes I'm wearing to school. Now this is the time for me to wear good clothes for this competition. The whole world will see me. See what he bought for me now. See. Like see.
In everything be appreciative. Okay, that's good that you are going, that you are not putting on the right uniform. Fine, we all know that that's not the uniform they are putting on there. But I did not talk to the school authority, and they allow you to be wearing that one. See, those people that allow you, the school authority that allow you to be wearing that uniform to school, that is not their own. We allow you to put on this one too.
No.
Okay. If you are not putting that one on, no. You see this one that your mother suggested at the initial stage that you should wear. Maybe I should go and still feed this one. You put it on. And what do you think? Taco. This is the first option A, option B. Out of option A and option B, pick one.
I think my own is better. Ele Tisha. See now, see the button safe. You see this one you are going
Mama told him to remove your hand. What did you know? Kill them all. So the little one you know, am I not the one that is teaching you? So I bought something home. You are saying, Tisha. She won't work with family yiri. Ẹbí yín wo ló wọrú eléyìí.
Ètò tí wá ṣálẹ̀ yín wọ́n family.
So they did not wear this one in my family and I know how to go about it to get it. Okay, you know what, Tolani? This is the one you are wearing. I will go to the tailor and slim fit it for you. So you are wearing this one since you and your mother then don't show the good there. Me my pet fight dokun. All my effort now is in vain. You are wearing this one slim fit it for you. Rubbish.
Ṣá tètè slim fit ẹ kó dẹ̀ dá padà sílé.
Amatola, where do you know?
Babatola. Wait. Are you just coming or did you enter before?
I'm just coming. What happened?
Where is that gown that you want to amend for Tola?
Which gown?
That's my pink gown now. You said you want to amend it for her this morning.
But I did not take it when I was going now. Did I take it?
Yes.
Yeah, I forget to tell you, don't worry.
Where's my gown?
So I cannot touch my wife again. I forgot to tell you, don't worry. I've given it to one of my. You know what happened is that when I was going, that you know that tailor beside our street there, down there, that is beside that woman that is selling worobo, that is selling provision. That tailor now. that woman. So when I go to her shop, I want to give her. So it's the apprentice that I met. They said she's not around. So and I don't want them to spoil that clothes for me because you know it's my beautiful that I want to wear it. So and I took it away from there. So I went to that third street. I want to go and give one Tailor there. That one too is not around. So and you know this Ejikari shop, I want to use them, but the way she was handling that machine, I'm not sure that she can do it perfectly. So and now I'm going to go and give my friend at the next community. So my friend is going to do it perfectly. Don't worry.
Hope is not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
I'll use my cloth to play best Naija.
Woman, mind your speech, oh. What is it? Any small thing is best. Any small thing, best Naija. Any small thing, Baba Jedu. What is it? Can't I do something successfully and peacefully in this house again? Ah.
Baba Tola, just go back. Don't enter. And go and bring my clothes for me.
I should not enter the house I'm paying for.
Yes, today. Just go and bring my gown.
I said I've given it to one of my friends to help me amend it. Ah. Opening. Ah. Where did I drop this photo? It's true that and this my friend Daginidoro. Ah, where will I drop it to? Maybe when the cashier was saying that that he was this clothes. My mind was not there. It's my game that called that I was looking at. Yeah, but I'm my husband now. So back lady, I'm a follow corona. She's not the one that married me. I will not want to do her. Baba Yatola.
Sitting.
Tola, what happened? You look like someone who stole your lunch.
Worse. Someone stole my notebook.
Wait, what?
I searched the class.
Are you sure you didn't misplace it?
No, I didn't. I checked my bag. I checked the class. I've checked the desk.
Okay, alright.
I can't find it.
Panicking won't solve any of this. You do have your brains, right?
Yes, I do. What kind of question is that?
Oh yeah, wait, let's take a break. I remember some of the points when we practiced together. We'll write them and I'll help you research the rest.
Okay. I think I remember some points.
Okay. And when you win that debate, we'll celebrate.
That's the motivation.
That's the spirit. Let's go. I knew it. I will soon.
Stop screaming. Don't you know people are saying that?
Let them stay as long as their eyes.
But I'm so happy. I'm happy that I finally won.
And I'm so proud of you. All the stress, the stolen notebooks. I'm so proud of you.
Of course, I was scared. But your motivation, you're the best.
I love you. Yeah, now so what should we do?
Let's go to my mom's shop. Let's go and take a look.
No. All shit on me.
That's enough. I can't resist.
Let's go.
Let my daughter come last song, and she tells me that she win the competition. This is what I'm going to give her first. And later, if I have money, if my business yields, and I will buy her things. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi baby. How you doing?
I'm fine.
How is everything?
Fine, sir.
How is the competition?
Our daddy was fine. And guess what?
What, my baby?
I won.
That's my baby.
Thank you.
I know you took after me. You are not like your mother. My baby, close your eyes.
Bye.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open it too. Don't open it too. Oh, yeah. Open your eyes.
Daddy, what's this now?
Been yelled about everything. This is how the white people normally do it.
This is not what they used to give.
You collect it first.
This one is maybe you can carry from somewhere. You cannot buy me normal flower.
It smells nice, oh. It smells nice, oh.
Oh.
Tolani.
Sir.
It smells nice. Okay, lawyer, you did not want flower.
I don't want.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will look for money. And I will tell your mother to prepare something nice for you. I know that you took after me. My brain is your brain. You are even sharper more than me. Tolani, God bless you for making me proud. Come on.
Congrats.
Yes, I won.
Congrats, my baby.
Thank you, ma.
Oh, I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
What is this? Leave my daughter. Come here. Come here, Joe. She's my daughter. See, this is what I'm telling you. That if you took after me, it will be of a great favor for you. She just take your complexion, but her brain is like my brain, more even sharper than my own. Tolani, God bless you for making me proud. Let's go inside and let me go and look for money and give your mother to prepare something food nice for you. Tolani. Oh yeah, be working in the front. Winner, winner, Tolani, you the winner. Pata, you go win forever, winner. Winner, winner. Tolani, you the winner. Pata, you go win forever, winner. Are you a winner? You are a winner. Are you a winner? You are a winner. I find my daughter. Hey, that's my beautiful daughter. Congratulations. You know that from onset I know that you will be the one to win this competition. It is not by clothes. It is not by clothes. See, let me tell you something. You know Yoruba normally says, "Ọmọ tẹ́yà bá bí, ẹ̀yà ló máa gbọ́dọ̀ tọ́." I know. I'm your father. That is why sorry, Omanda. It is very good for you, for you to take from your father, not from your mother. I didn't mean you follow the footsteps of your mother now. You know me, but don't let us talk to that extent. But you copying me from this is how brilliant I am when I was at your age. When I was at your age, I was always taking first. There's no any of my mates that is compared with me. That is what you are doing now. God bless you.
It was very interesting and I had fun.
I know you will enjoy yourself. Shebi is about the book. I know that is how I was when I was still your age. You know what? With this one that you have done, let me start from here. I will buy you ice cream first. I will buy. Shebi, you know how to eat shawarma. Buy you shawarma. Buy you pizza. That clothes that you want, I will buy it for you, and I will get you a teddy bear.
Baba Tola, when are you going to buy this? I'll buy you every day. And don't forget, this is what you are saying, my daughter. She's our daughter, not only your daughter.
She took after me. Can't you see the resemblance? Can't you see? My daughter. Harikemi, Iyeru Okin, Ọmọlọ́fà mọ́jọ, Ọlálọ́mí ò máa bí ṣùjọ́ kọ, ìjàkátà kìtì lóró tọ̀fà. Ìjà kan tí wọ́n jà lọ fà lé wọ́n ló ṣojú ta ni ó ṣojú èdè ó ṣojú poro ìbá ṣojú olóko ìbá làwọn. God bless you, my daughter. Thank you for making me proud.
Daddy, don't forget my school fees. They say we should pay next week. We have to pay it next week.
Pay next week. So won't I do it before? What is it gone? So we are celebrating something here. So we are celebrating your success, the achievements you made. So you are now bringing another issue. Must you get me angry every time?
I just said I should remind you.
Am I not the one that has been paying this in all these days? Everything you need. Have I not been providing for your needs? Getting for you? So is it now that you are supposed to remind me that I want to pay one school fees or something? Won't I pay it?
Baba Tola, you want to use this agidi cover the school fees? We are going to pay you. ṣe ti gbọ́ gbogbo ice cream tó fẹ́ rà mo sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ pay for school fees.
So I should pay for school fees. Okay, even if you have been standing in the gap for me for some times, so must you say that in the presence of your daughter? So you want to turn my daughter against me, Abi? So you want to turn, you people have been ganging up against me. No problem. Put yourself. We are celebrating here. You brought in another matter. So as if I'm not the one doing it before. Rubbish.
sí ọ̀rọ̀ ni ó fẹ́ lo ọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí láti má fi san ìrọ́dẹ̀ ló pa. Don't worry, I'll pay. God bless.
What is it? Do you want to sleep inside toilet? This is money.
Ṣé mi ò ní yàgbẹ́? What's your problem?
Ọ̀gbìn àgbìn wọn ni lọ dúró. Leave my husband alone. Leave my mommy alone. Leave my mommy alone, sir. Leave my mommy alone. Mommy, let's.
You want to borrow money from me?
If you call it like that, sha.
Me? Borrow money from me? Ìwọ onígbèsè.
Sister B, why you doing like this now? Ẹ má tẹ̀lé nu now. Ẹ má tẹ̀lé nu. Don't follow what people are saying about me. I'm not a bad person.